This is our range of pallet trucks, with both hand and semi-electric versions available. Pallet trucks have many uses in warehouses, factories, manufacturing plants, and more. They have high load ratings perfect for the safe movement of heavy product around site. Our hand pallet truck has a 2,500 kg load rating and is ideal for lifting and moving heavy objects. With polyurethane guide and steer wheels, this pallet truck is easily manoeuvrable around even the tightest of spaces. This pallet truck also comes with 550mm by 1150mm forks with a width of 160mm, perfect for moving a variety of loads easily and safely. If you need a little more help in your workplace, the semi-electric pallet truck is your perfect product. A great piece of kit that does the movement for you and can handle up to 2,000 kg loads. The pallet truck is fitted with a 10Ah lithium battery and has a 3-hour work time when charged for 5 hours, giving plenty of use to get your work done. This pallet truck has a max travel speed of 3.5 km per hour, being fast enough to be efficient while also keeping the safety of the workforce in mind when it's on the move. This pallet truck also comes with an emergency stop feature. If it ever bumps into an employee or product, it will automatically stop moving and go into shutdown mode. Turning it back on is simple. All you have to do is pull the emergency stop button up and the pallet truck will be ready to use again. Both of these pallet trucks are available with a 12-month guarantee and free delivery subject to location. Shop online today at www.billgroup.co.uk or call our friendly sales team for a chat on 01249 822 222. We look forward to hearing from you.